Today I want to show you a quick and easy way to make bubbles that look fun and iridescent. You can use metallics, you can use all kinds of other paints besides what I'm sharing with you today. But what I've got here is I've got floating medium, and we're going to do a watercolor effect. But I've got some June berries, some aqua, some citrus green, and yellow daffodil. And these are all multi-surface, so just whatever paint you've got. Now I'm going to put a little bit of water out. Okay, so then I have my mop brush. So I can take this mop brush and work in some of this color in here. I'm going to wipe it in between, come in here and get some water. I keep cleaning out the brush, and the floating medium can help you along the way. All right, so this mop is going to be right here ready to do what we want to do here. So I'm going to take a round lid or cardboard, like a toilet paper or a paper towel holder maybe. And then I'm just going to take, and if you do this with watercolor, it's really nice. This is just our acrylic. Let's do 2 of these. I'm going to move it around a little bit. Okay, so now I can take, let's try it 2 different ways. We're going to take this one with floating medium. Okay. Okay. But we need water. So see, we're going to come all around this way. And we're going to get that watercolor effect. So here we go. I would do one at a time just to show you. Oops, we're going to lose our circle. Okay, so I'm going to go get more water. I can come over here and bring some of this in. And so this is our bubble. So we're going to try it again and make sure it's really wet when we do it, okay? We want to keep it bright and pretty. This watercolor paper is not very absorbent. It's just an inexpensive pad I have. Okay, so let's come right here. Let's run this around. Watercolor, actual watercolor would move different for us. Oops, let's spin it around. Okay, there we go. All right, now, well, that's super wet and I'm not experimenting. I'm going to come right in here. We're going to bring those colors in. Okay, so, and some of it has white in it, but I can go over here and touch the June berry. It's on the plate. So with that mop brush, makes it really nice. As we can clean that mop brush out, bring some of the greens in from the edge. See, you're going to really move it while it's wet, because when acrylics dry, they don't re-wet, just to let you know that. All right. So I'm going to come in here and just do aqua and yellow. And we're going to go over this one because I wasn't happy. I lost my shape on that one. Let's get some water. It's just a quick, you can use cardboard like I said. This is water. And we're going to scrub it a little bit and pull it. And do a bigger spot of aqua. Okay, put a little bit of white in here for a glare. You can just take water and clean off. Can you see this? Just a clean, wet brush. You can clean the edges. And I'm going to take this mop and I'm going to tap white. You go around edges. All right. Oops. Now see how this bled? And clean this mop. Oops, it's got green. Clean it, clean it, clean it. And I can come around here. So play with it. Any kind of cardboard. I used a jar lid, but it would be nice that cardboard would grab and hold some of that paint for a while. But there we go. Making bubbles a quick and easy way, and on watercolor paper. All right, so small cardboard, toilet paper, or paper towel rolls will make some different shapes and sizes. All right, so, and watercolor would re-wet over and over. So I've demonstrated some watercolor paints with you guys before, so check those out right here on my site. And thank you for being on. So practice, try it, share it. We'd like to see it. And please subscribe and ring the bell, and I'll let you know when I'm coming on new. All right. Thank you.